This video will assist you to create a website in Composer. Open Composer, insert table. We want one cell, so I'll click there. This cell will consist of the entire web page. Increase the size. The cursor might be in the center, so right click it, table cell properties. In cell tab, you can see vertical, here it is top. At times the cursor might, here the option selected might be middle by default. So if you want it at top, bring it at top. I want it top, so I have selected top. And in table tab, at the bottom background color, select the background color. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Now in this cell, press enter few times so that your cursor it is easily moves to the next line. Bring the cursor to the beginning, insert table, select the cells, click OK. Increase the size of the table. In this cell, insert image. Location, select the image file. Open. Do not use alternate text. Dimension, custom size, width 100. Okay. I want to increase the size of the image. Increase it. Bring it to the right aligned. Now in the first cell, type the name of the store. Select the text. I want to give the formatting option. Increase the font size. Bold. Center aligned. Font color blue. Okay. Now place the cursor beneath the table. Press enter. Type home page. Select the text. Again we'll give the formatting option. Increase it twice. Press enter twice. Now we'll insert the table. Insert table. 2 rows, 2 columns. Select it and click that blue border in that dialog box. Now here type, press enter and type categories. Select it. Select the text. Press twice, increase font size. Again press enter. Type new products. Select the text. Twice, increase the font size. Now press enter here in both the cells. Now beneath the category, we'll insert the table again. Insert table. Before doing this, I would like to decrease the width of this categories. How to do it? Right click, table cell properties, in cell width. I will type 30% of table. Apply. Okay. Now beneath that, insert the table. Insert table. type water bottle, select the text, increase font size twice, make it center aligned. You can click here and press enter. Similarly over here, press enter and type school bag. Select it, increase font size, bring it in the center. You can change the font colors also. Now in the other cell, insert table, 2 cells, click this blue. First cell, insert image, open the location. So bottle 1, open, dimension, custom size, 100 or 200, that depends on the size that you want. Now, okay. Now see, this error message appears when I click on OK button. Why? Deliberately I did it. Here you have not selected don't use alternate text. So click on it. And in case you have selected alternate text, then you are supposed to provide the text. For example, kindly wait or please wait. So we don't want to give this alternate text. So we'll click on don't use alternate text. So remember, such error message comes, don't be scared. You have to just click on don't use alternate text. Click on OK. Now here also we'll insert the image. Insert image. Select the location. School bag 1. Open. Don't use alternate text. Dimension, custom size, width 100. Height will automatically come. Okay. Here I find the size to be less, so I increase it. Then now click the cursor after the image and you will see the cursor blinking. Thereafter press enter. The cursor will come down. Type the name of the product. So glass bottle, rupees 700. Now we'll insert the checkbox. Insert form field, checkbox. GB1. Okay. Add to cart. Similarly, insert the text box. Q1. Remember, field size, make it 3. Okay, we want small text box. So, quantity. Same. We'll do it here. Click the cursor besides the image. Press enter. Black school bag. Rupees 1000. Insert form field, checkbox, WB1. Okay. Add to cart. Insert form field, Q2. Field size 3. Okay. Quantity. In case you want the image to be at the center, bring it in the center. This text also, select the text entire. Now this additional spaces over here, place the cursor beneath the table and first let both be of same size. Now over here, remove this by pressing the delete key. Here press the enter, so it will come like this. Now save the page. This extra also you can remove if you want. Save the page. File, save as, home page. The name of home page, we keep it as index.htm. For that I have made a folder website. It is recommended you make the folder named website and save all your web pages in it. So index.htm. Now in this website we'll have 3 web pages. One will be home page, another will be waterbottle.htm, and third will be schoolbag.htm. Now this index page which we have made, we will save as at same place in website folder, water bottle .htm, and again we'll do it save as schoolbag.htm. So we have saved it thrice. If I minimize this, and in my website, in the folder, website, you can see these 3 web pages which are created. I'll go back to the composer. Now I'll close all and open from the beginning the first web page which I had created. So open file, I'll open index. Now we'll link it. So I am in index, that is home page. So I will create the link for water bottle and school bag. How to do it? Let us do. Select this text. Insert. Link. Click in this. Choose file. It is water bottle. So we'll click on waterbottle.htm. Open. Okay. Similarly, for school bag, we'll select the text school bag, insert, link, choose file, schoolbag.htm, open. Okay. Now this image, insert, image. No, let it be over here like this only. This is correct. So now we are done with this page. Save it. Now we'll open, I'll close this web page. Now I'll open waterbottle.htm. I am in waterbottle.htm. So the links that I am supposed to create in this web page is, I'll create a link for home page. So select this home page, insert, link, index.htm. open, okay, and school bag. You are already in water bottle dot htm file. So the other two files you need to navigate. So we have created the link for home page and we'll create now the link for school bag. Insert link school bag, open, okay. Now here we'll insert another image of water bottle. So insert image, open. Do not use alternate text, okay. So we got the water bottle image and save. So we'll just do a revision. Here we have to create the link and insert the image and save the file. Three things you have to do. Now again we'll close it. We'll open school bag, open. Again we are in school bag, so we'll first create the link for home page. Select the text, insert link, index.htm, open, okay. Now we are in school bag, so we need to create the link for water bottle. So select the text, insert link, water bottle, open, okay. Now here we are in school bag, so we'll click on this image and replace it with school bag image. Insert, image, school bag 2, open, okay. So here in the name also, no, we'll have to change. It is ABC school bag. Here the cost is 900 for example. Rest all will remain the same. Only change the name and the cost and then save the file. Now let us minimize this. Open the folder where you have saved the file. Double click index.htm. You can see the web page. Click on water bottle page appears. Click on school bag appears. From here if we click on home page, we can go to home page. I click on water bottle, from there also I can go to home page. Thank you.